Adobe Illustrator makes it easy to add text to your different projects and gives you some really powerful formatting options as well. To get started with type, you'll add a single line of text with the Type tool and apply a few basic formatting options to it. To follow along, you can open your own Illustrator document or this file from the practice files for this tutorial. If you open this file, to make sure you can see all of the artwork in the document, choose View, Fit All in Window. To start with, select the Type tool in the Tools panel on the left. In a blank area in the artboard on the right, simply click to add some text. After you click, a small line of text should appear. This type of text is called point type and is perfect for creating a headline on a poster or a line of text for a logo, for instance. The text you see is placeholder text and something you can replace. With the text still selected, type Designs. To zoom into the text so it's easier to see, choose View, Zoom in, and do that a couple of times so it appears a little larger. Now, so that you can move the text object and resize it and do different things to it, select the Selection tool in the Tools panel on the left. Come to a corner of the box around the text and drag. Notice that you're stretching both the text and the box. This can be really useful when you're trying to stretch your text in different ways, maybe to achieve a certain look for a logo or for a heading for a poster, for instance. To undo the text sizing you just did, choose Edit, Undo Scale. Now to continue typing text, double-click the word Designs to switch to the Type tool. Insert the cursor after the word Designs and type Made Simple. If you were to keep typing right now, the text would continue in a single line unless you press Return or Enter to create a new paragraph. To see both the artboards again, choose View, Fit All in Window. Select the Selection tool, and the text object should still be selected. To make the text a little bit smaller, in the Properties panel to the right of the document, you should see the Font Size option. Click the arrow to the left of the font size to make the size 11 point. Now you'll drag it where it needs to be. So move the pointer over the text and drag it down into the lower right corner of the artboard on the left. Now, since the text is black and the background is dark, you'll change the fill color of the text to make it more readable. In the Properties panel, click the Fill Color. Make sure the Swatches option is selected so you can see some default colors that come with your document. And then select this light green color and you should be able to see the text now. You can press Escape to hide the colors. And then click away from the text to deselect it. Now that you know how to add text and make some simple formatting edits, try adding text to one of your own Illustrator projects, maybe for a web design, an icon, or a logo.